Hello and welcome to our presentation on Mitigating Desertification through Land Restoration by Anna Coxon, Courtney Kern, and Sandra Hoganson. So what is desertification? According to the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, desertification is land degradation in arid, semi-arid, and some humid areas, resulting from various factors, including climatic variations and human activities. Deserts occur naturally at the descending branch of the Hadley cell because of the high pressure and dry descending air. Due to rising global temperatures, the Hadley cell is expanding, causing deserts to spread north and south of their current locations. Desertification causes reduced topsoil, water, and soil nutrient levels, and land can no longer support native plant and animal species. Desertification also works as a positive feedback system.
Human development is the largest contributor to desertification because of overgrazing, development, and deforestation. Land restoration is one possible solution to help prevent and remedy desertification. One method is through replanting native vegetation, which requires less upkeep and helps restore natural biodiversity. Another method along this line is planting crops, which requires more water and manpower, but also aids against global hunger and poverty. Here is a diagram showing natural succession. Land restoration speeds up this process. There are many benefits to planting crops on affected land, such as reduced CO2 in the atmosphere, restored soil, less erosion, less water runoff, and reduced famine and starvation.
Planting crops in crisscrossing rows creates wind barriers and sand traps, which are a common method of preventing desertification. The multiple rows of crops, or straw, on a low budget, cause wind velocity to drastically decrease in nearby areas, preventing dry soil from being blown away. So how is it supposed to work? Planting plants, such as crops, to prevent desertification helps to speed up natural succession. The plants also break up wind, reduce water runoff from the soil, and improve water retention, which helps to increase the soil quality and remediate desertification. Plants prevent erosion by slowing down runoff to allow more water to soak into the ground. They also hold the soil in position to prevent it from being washed away. Another thing plants do is break the impact of raindrops and reduce their ability to erode the soil. Plants that grow on riverbanks and in wetlands especially are important because they slow down water and hold soil in position so that the land does not completely erode away.
Implementing this solution includes planting the plants and cultivating them, allowing them to grow, and ensuring that the locals know how to continue this process. Since land restoration is such a large-scale project, it requires a lot of coordination between large organizations and local farmers. Sometimes the large agencies fail to communicate with the farmers. This can hurt the farmers, who in turn become less interested in maintaining the land. This chart shows that in one Chinese restoration effort, the Sloping Land Conversion Program, the majority of landowners involved reported that they did not have a say in what was done to their land. Another drawback of land restoration is the cost and the amount of fresh water required to maintain the plant life, which would otherwise be consumed by people. In summary, desertification is the degradation of land due to environmental and anthropogenic factors. Planting crops is one of many mitigation strategies, with not only environmental but also economic benefits. Its drawbacks include cost, water usage, and coordination.